Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Odyssey. We're talking about that generation here, Honda Odyssey from year 2011 to year 2017. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the front power outlet socket is located. This is the one where you put your phone, electronic devices to charge them. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where the fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today. For your convenience, make sure you stay till the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the front power outlet, guys, socket fuse, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2015 Honda Odyssey. You guys have up to 5 fuse boxes, and the fuse box that we need to check today is located inside of your Honda Odyssey on the passenger side, right here on the right, under the glove box, guys. You have to remove that cover there, and once you remove the cover, you will see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Before we continue now, let us explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse for the power outlet, front power outlet, guys, not the rear one. For the rear one you have a special fuse, but if you come now right here, that first row of fuses on the bottom, that's fuse number 1 through 15. Second row here, that's fuse number 16 through 28. The numbers can be seen right underneath the fuses. You can see you have numbers. Now, the fuse for the front power outlet, guys, is that 15M fuse here, that's number 27. That's the one that you will need to check specifically right there. You can see where it's located, this one here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.